Good day. We would like to take this opportunity to present our innovation product called DIY Mini CNC Milling Machine. First, allow me to introduce our innovator team. Technologies Johnny Yakin Sinit alias Yaya bin Yakin as our team leader, together with Mr. Nilsson Peter Sorimpok, Technologies Dr. Jason William Vitalis, and Madam Angela Wettenpai. We are lecturers from the Department of Mechanical Engineering of Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu. The DIY Mini CNC machine assists and enhances the teaching and learning process in DJJ 10033 Theory Workshop Technology, where the main topic, Computer Numerical Control or CNC, and subtopic Basic Coordinates in CNC Programming, which includes the absolute and incremental, in Semester 1. Apart from that, the DIY CNC machine can enhance the teaching and learning process during practical for DJF 31012, the Manufacturing Workshop Practice 2. In addition, practically able to show the student cutting tool path in the milling operation according to the technical drawing, especially for the Semester 3 students. The inspiration for this innovation arose due to the breakdown of the existing CNC milling machine in the Mechanical Engineering Department of Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu. Furthermore, the cost involved when repairing is costly and limited to special skills workers, especially in Sabah. In addition, material for project CNC milling machine takes time to purchase and order from the supplier. Therefore, lecturers who taught theory and practical face problems in delivering information regarding CNC code coordinates and the toolpath movements when carrying out the practical work. The DIY Mini CNC milling will be the fast solution to assist and enhance the teaching and learning process for theory DJJ 10033 Workshop Technology students in Semester 1. Furthermore, it can be a valuable and practical tool in teaching and learning in DJF 31012 Manufacturing Workshop Practice 2. Apart from that, a reusable material like candles replaces mild steel for CNC milling machine projects, as it is quickly heated and melted for reuse. The observation in the teaching and learning process shows that the Semester 1 student has difficulty understanding the two types of coordinates when involved in CNC programming. For example, the CNC coordinates, the absolute coordinate using code G90 and incremental coordinate using G91. The coordinate code key in the software interface determines the movements of the toolpath. The existing CNC milling machine is currently unable to be used due to controller board failure. The damaged machine certainly caused problem in delivering information to the students. In addition, the raw material for CNC project is also limited. The bulkiness of the CNC milling machine also restrains the mobility to the class for teaching and learning sessions. However, an alternative idea has to be thought of to solve this problem. The Mechanical Engineering Department lecturers have developed the DIY Mini CNC milling machine by using the parts from a broken 3D printer due to the expensive repair costs. The DIY Mini CNC milling machine development involves applying open source software, electric motors and frame from a broken 3D printer, and an Arduino module. The raw material used in this project is recyclable panels that can melt to form a block based on the tray size. Thus, it will save the cost of the raw material purchases. Besides, the size of the DIY Mini CNC machine is small, lighter, and easy to bring anywhere as a teaching aid tool. The main objectives of this innovation are as follows: to assist and enhance the teaching and learning process in DJJ 10033 Theory Workshop Technology main topic Computer Numerical Control CNC and subtopic Basic Coordinates in CNC Programming Absolute and Incremental, especially for semester 1 JCAM students. Secondly is to assist and enhance the teaching and learning process during practical for DJF 31012, that is Manufacturing Workshop Practice 2. In conclusion, the DIY mini CNC milling machine was successfully functioning. Thus, this innovation brought significantly new teaching and learning aids for students to understand coordinates in CNC programming code.